Being human, huh? Yeah, I better go before I get probed. Where are we taking off? Which way? Right, left?
Yeah, just go. Take off that way. You're taking off right now. Go.
Go? Okay. Whee! You follow Frankie. Oh, I like the sun like this. Makes it much easier to see.
Oh, it's a beautiful sky.
And then you can actually see the planes.
Into the sun.
Go around it. Go.
Don't do those low passes.
What up? No, I'm not going to do it. Don't worry.
Yeah, Ray's being good now. Come on, Ray. Stop for the wake up pass.
Oh, shit. I just waked up into the sun.
Yeah, that sun is brutal, dude. You think, oh, the cloud is over it.
Nope.
That was a beautiful.
I can't do touch and goes with this, so I'm just going to... I don't trust the gear. No, it's not that. It just doesn't track right. God, those clouds look awesome. Ooh, he's flying blind. He won't know what to do. Pinky, pinky, pinky. Stay away from the stinky. Good Lord Jesus. What the hell is that?
I was like, oh shoot, Ray's right there.
I don't want to be, you know, I already told you there'll be no probing today, damn it. All right, Frank, now I'm going to have to get on you now after that. Woo. Hello, Frank. Yeah, and I'm right behind you. I'm on you.
I can't sync with you guys.
No, Frank's flying like a crazy person, so. See, I can't even follow him because he's flying like a nut. Oh, see, he's already going the other way. What the hell?
This FMS setup is not fast. On your F-15? What are you flying, man?
He's flying his MiG. Mine hauls ass. Go, I'm behind you. Whoa, mama!
Yeah, something
Mojo has been revoked.
Time remaining 1 minute.
That could be it. Battery could be cold. I'm gonna fly my MiG next with the FMS, so I think it screams pretty good. All right, here we go. I'm coming for you, Frankie. Where you think you're going? We got somebody landing.
Somebody's landing. I'm landing.
30 seconds.
Alright, which direction are we landing from?
Once Chris comes down, we can choose. Jesus, Frank, you're flying fast and slow, and fast and slow. Jesus, what are you gonna do? You're trying to confuse me? If it's combat, you won.
Right,
Shit.
landing from the left.
10, 9,
From the
8,
right?
7, 6.
I'm not sure I can make it. Alright,
I gotta come in too, so
Time
choose your
From the left.
direction.
From
Choose
the
your
left.
direction. Left? Okay.
Left.
I'm gonna land from the right.
Yeah, we should land from the right.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Hit the head.
I don't want him to. I don't want you thinking I'm coming in right where you are. All right, Rand. I see where you are, but I gotta come from the right.
Fine, that's, you can come from wherever you want. I'm,
Gear down. Landing flap.
Whoa! He did the limp biscuit.
the lip biscuit.
There you go. I see you.
That was like slow speed. Ray, you're not over.
I'm over, just barely. That's why you saw the wiggle at the last minute. Oh, mama. There will be no probing today.
I don't know what's
Flat
with my FMS setup, but that was slow. It's low.
My FMS hauls ass.
Is that totally upside down?
You gotta flip it. That's what it did. The Limp Biscuit.